Hey guys, my name's Lindy Corley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the interiors section. My channel is divided into 3 different categories. It's fashion, interiors, and lifestyle. In the interior section, we will cover everything from DIY to where to buy to what to buy, how to rearrange, how to redecorate, how to decorate. Basically anything that you can think of will be on this specific part of the channel. Today, we're gonna be diving into a DIY that Tyler and I did 3 weeks ago. My mom gifted us a cane chair. I believe it's a vintage cane chair. The color was maple. That doesn't quite fit our specific style. Thankfully, Tyler had paint from a mural that he just did. So of course, we decided to change this chair to matte black. In the description box below, I'll give a quick how-to, including materials that I used to accomplish this DIY. It took about 30 minutes to an hour, and then the time that the chair needed to dry. We already know where we're gonna put it. We're super excited for that. That will actually be in the second video. So definitely stay tuned for next week because you will see that this actual chair styled out, looking gorgeous, next to, not gonna tell you because you need to stay tuned for the video. So join me and I'll be right back. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, share, subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next week.